South African social media is once again on fire, and this time Connie Ferguson is at the center of a very uncomfortable conversation. Online critics are accusing the media mogul of being a gatekeeper in the acting industry, with some even claiming she has the power to make or break careers.
Actress Vatiswanda's name keeps coming up,
with many users alleging she has struggled to book major roles after speaking out against industry practices. Another long-standing rumor that refuses to die involves former generation actress Kagiso, known as Sharon. Meanwhile, Sonia Mbele is also catching strays, with critics saying she may be following a similar path. Reality star Crystal K has hinted an unfair treatment behind the scenes of the Ultimate Girls Trip, sparking renewed debate about power and exploitation in reality TV. Sonia, who produced Love and Hip Hop South Africa and several Real Housewife franchises, is also being dragged for what many fans called the weakest version of the global franchise,
despite appearances like stars Dallas and Gigi Lamayne. And let's be honest, many agree Gigi carried that season and she's the only one who truly survived it.
Whether these are truth or just industry whispers, one thing is clear. South Africans are demanding transparency, accountability, and fair treatment in entertainment. And this conversation, it's not ending anytime soon.